Hi everyone, welcome back to Ditzy Beauty. This is my puppy, well, one of them. This is Scylla, our new member of the family. Kiki is upstairs somewhere and left poor Scylla down here by herself. So yeah, she is probably gonna start whining because, well, it's Scylla. And Scylla whines a lot. No, I'm holding you. I'm here. So yeah, trying to do my makeup and getting ready for work while holding her is a task. So I'm starting off with my MAC paint pot in soft orchid as normal. Yeah. Here, just sorry. Oh my gosh. Ugh. There we go. So the first color I'm going in with is my, oh gosh, brush rolling. Brush roll, no! Everything is falling as I touch it. No thank you, Scylla. So I'm gonna go in with the Orangey Glad palette from ColourPop, and I'm gonna be taking Sunkissed. And I'm gonna be applying this to my crease. I know, but my boyfriend's not up, and he was supposed to be up so I can get ready, but he's not up. And all she wants down is down, but I know as soon as I put her down, she's gonna run over to the door and just start whining. I guess it's not even the door, it's the stairs to go upstairs. All right, fine. Down she goes. I'm a little nervous for her. Okay, so once you get the orange on, right over to those stairs. Just gonna wait for it. Maybe she'll learn to go up them. Who knows? And then I'm gonna go in with the, I call it the watermelon palette, but it's the main squeeze palette. And I'm gonna be taking a little bit of Home Slice. I'm using this angled brush. Oh, here she comes back. And I'm gonna put this above the orange color I did. Scylla. Sorry. She's so little, I'm scared she's gonna have an accident. Scylla, come here. Come see Mom. Hi, girly. Hi. And I'm actually running late for work because I usually leave my house at 6:30 and I know it's past 6:30. But with holding her and trying to watch her and get ready, it's not a fun task. Okay, so I have a little bit of Home Slice all over my lid now, and now I'm going to go in with more of a creaser brush, and I'm going to go in with Like It's Hot. And basically what I'm doing is I'm adding a little more red to this. I know, hold on, I'll pick you back up. Come here. Scylla, come here. Oh, there goes my blanket. Just lay down. I got you. I do. Okay, so you're gonna go in like that, and then I'm gonna actually go in with the taper brush that I used Home Slice on, and I'm gonna just kind of buff that out a little bit into the orange. Say, I'm a whiny pup. And that's another thing, like, I didn't film for a while because she was kennelized. Like, I thought I couldn't handle her while I was doing my makeup. So she was actually upstairs in her kennel. And that's why I just felt bad for filming, because she was just up there whining in her kennel. So, yeah. Here I am, trying. Oh, I think I hear my boyfriend. Hold on. I'll be right back. All right, sorry about that. He has her upstairs. He's taking care of her now. And I actually forgot to tell you, I don't remember if I told you, but with the Honey palette, I actually took Beehive on this flat tapered brush and I applied it to my lid. Next step is to be going in with, let me clean this up really quick. Let me just put my palettes up because I have all that picked up. Getting my blanket back on. It's like freezing cold in my basement. All right. Hitting the table and everything's falling. Does that shock you? Because it doesn't shock me at all. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a winged eyeliner. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do that off camera. So I don't even know why you guys just watched me clean up, but you did. So I'll be right back with the full face and the finishing of this look. I might be at work by then. See you soon. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I'm already late for work, but oh well. This is my finished eye look. And I just wanted to be able to show you guys that really quick. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.